How to wire money from Sofi, a fast and secure guide. Ever needed to transfer a larger chunk of money quickly and securely? Maybe you're putting a down payment on a car, sending funds to family overseas, or just consolidating some accounts. Whatever the reason, wire transfers are often the go-to solution. But if you use Sofi, you might be wondering, how exactly do I wire money from my account? Context and explanation. Sofi offers a variety of financial products, but their money transfer capabilities can be a little different from traditional banks. Don't worry, though. Wiring money through Sofi is still a straightforward process. Here's a breakdown of what you need to know. Domestic versus international. First things first, Sofi currently only allows outgoing wire transfers within the United States. So, if you're looking to send money abroad, you'll need to explore a third-party money transfer service like Wise or Some. These services often specialize in international transactions and can offer competitive rates. Account eligibility. Make sure you have the right Sofi account. Wire transfers are only available for Sofi checking and savings accounts, not Sofi Invest accounts. The wiring process. Alright, with those things out of the way, let's get down to the actual wiring process. Log in and navigate. Head to the Sofi mobile app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to the transfer section. This might be under the banking or money tab depending on your account type. Initiate the wire. Look for the wire transfer option. Once selected, you'll be guided through the process of setting up your transfer. Gather information. Here's where you'll need to have all your ducks in a row. You'll be asked for the recipient's bank account information, including their name, routing number, and account number. Double-check everything here to avoid any delays or errors. Pro tip, contact the recipient beforehand to confirm their banking details. Amount and fees. Enter the amount you want to wire and be aware of any associated fees. Sofi typically charges a flat fee for outgoing wire transfers, so factor that into your overall transfer amount. Review and submit. Carefully review all the entered information before submitting your wire request. Once you're confident everything is accurate, hit submit and wait for confirmation. Security measures. Security is paramount when it comes to wire transfers. Sofi takes this seriously, and you might encounter some additional verification steps. Contact by Sofi Security. Sofi's security team may contact you and the recipient to confirm the transfer details and prevent any fraudulent activity. This might involve a phone call or email verification. Time cutoff. For same-day processing, make sure your wire request is submitted before 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Additional considerations. Here are some other things to keep in mind. Tracking. Once your wire transfer is initiated, you can usually track its status through your Sofi account. This allows you to see if the transfer has been completed or is still pending. Alternatives. For frequent international transfers, consider exploring third-party money transfer services. They often specialize in international transactions and can offer competitive exchange rates compared to traditional banks. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Wiring money from Sofi is a relatively simple process, with some limitations for international transfers. Remember, accuracy and double-checking details are crucial to ensure a smooth and secure transfer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.